Hi, good day. Welcome to the Sisani Tube.
In this tutorial I am going to continue talking about the extruded surface tool, and in this tutorial I am going to show how to extrude the lines using the contours method. So let's make a new part and make a new sketch. So now we have a sketch. Now we can go to surface tool, and here we can choose the sketch we created, or click here. We can see the color changed, and then we can choose the dimensions of the extruded sketch, and then simply we can press OK, and we have our extruded surface. Also, the contour tools, there is an advanced method how to choose the selected contours to extrude combined surfaces. That's what I am going to show in the next lesson.
If you like more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.